You can manually synchronize tickets using the visual mode, and that's what we'll cover in this video. As a reminder, we'll be using the same training test connection that we created in the previous videos. It was going from Jira to Azure DevOps. Now the projects are already chosen, and the sync method is manual in both directions. To get started, let's create an issue. I'll also add a short description, and let's create the ticket. Now, once it's created on the Jira side, you have a couple of ways to exalate this over to the Azure DevOps side. One of the ways is from the ticket interface itself, where an agent can go to the Exalate panel and manually hit the Exalate button to send the ticket over to the other end. So I'll hit Submit. This is going to manually synchronize the ticket over to the Azure DevOps side, which basically means that it will create a copy of the ticket on the Azure DevOps system. So let's give it a few seconds to complete. Once the ticket is synchronized over, it will provide you with the status and a direct link, or the URL, to the Azure DevOps system. You can click on the link to view the work item that has been created on the other side. So this was one way of doing a manual sync. The other way is through the Exalate admin panel. Let's just do another test. So I'll create another ticket called Manual Sync 2. But this time, what we're going to do is exalate it over from the Exalate admin panel. So go to Apps, and in the Exalate admin panel on the left sidebar, you'll see this option called Entity Sync Status. Click it and wait a few seconds. Once it loads up, all you'll need to do is put the issue key in here and hit the search button. This is where you'll be able to exalate your ticket. Just choose a connection and click Exalate. So these are the two ways you can do the manual exhalation using the visual mode. The status says that it is in progress, so let's just bear with it for a few seconds. Once it's synchronized, again, it'll provide a URL directly to the other system, and we can open the work item to view our ticket from there. So, we covered the two ways you can use manual sync in the visual mode. The first one is from the ticket interface itself, from within the Exalate panel, and the other is from the Exalate admin console, where an admin can do the same.